Pastor James V. Haruda, to our school principal, Mrs. Telma D. Haruda, to our school OIC, Mrs. Esther May A. Estavas, to our guest speaker, Mrs. Cecilia G. Oblique, to our barangay captain, Mr. Juan Zoniel Malaya, honored guests, dear teachers, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. What a special day for all of us. Seeing the big smiles on our faces is indeed fantastic. Graduation is the time of the past and move forward to the future. It's time for us as graduates that have just finished our preschool days. Over the last 3 years here at CFBC Christian School, we have learned to love learning, and these skills will help us as we progress in our education. Coming to school is not just about learning to read and write. They are important, but just as important are love and friendship. And today, here we are, all set to move further. We are equipped to take on the next part of our educational lives. We have strong foundation and we feel confident that we have a great start. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to take this opportunity to thank, on behalf of the CFBC Christian School Batch 2014. Thank you, dear teachers, for patiently and generously imparting your knowledge. The love you have for us shines through in what you are now, and that we salute you. Thank you, parents. You have willingly and faithfully given your time, love, and care for us. We know you are proud of us, and we would like to tell you we are also proud of you. Finally, thank you, God, for the wisdom, talents, and skills. You are our great provider. We bring back to you our success and achievements. As we move to our new adventure, wherever ways will take us, we will always look to where it has all started, here at the four corners of CFBC Christian School. To my fellow graduates, congratulations and mabuhay!